Hi everyone, Mr. King here to run you through your next activity for today's PE remote learning session. Your next activity is called throw and flip. Before you can start, you will need to find some equipment from around your house. You will need to find 2 laundry baskets or small boxes from around the house. You will need 2 balls. So it could be a tennis ball, a stress ball. Balls of socks are a really fun idea. You will need to find 2 objects to use as markers. So for instance, shoes are a really good idea. Cups, things like that are a fantastic idea for this activity. You will need 1 chair and you will need to find 1 member of your family to play against. Alright guys, go find the equipment you need. Now that you've found the equipment you need for this activity, you now need to find a space around your house to play the activity in. Somewhere like your backyard is the perfect spot. Okay guys, go work out what space you want to play the activity in. Now it's time to set up the activity. To set up your activity, what you'll need to do first is place your chair at one end of your space you're using. Then at the other end of your space, so about 15 meters away, you will place your 2 objects you're using as markers. So today, I've got my shoes. They're going to be your start line. On top of them, you'll place your ball, whatever it is, a ball of socks, a tennis ball, on top of your shoes or your cup. Then about 1 to 2 meters away, you will place your laundry baskets as I have done so here. Alright guys, go set up your activity. Alright everyone, we are now ready to begin. To start, you and the person you are playing against will start by standing on your 2 objects used as your start line with your ball. When you're ready, one of you will say, ready, set, go. On go, the 2 of you need to throw your ball into the basket, aiming to flip your basket all the way to the other end. The first person to flip their basket all the way to the other end, sit down on their chair, will be the winner. During the game, if you are able to throw your ball into the basket, what you need to do is collect your ball. You will flip over your basket as I'm about to do so now. Once you've flipped over your basket, you return back to the start line for your next throw. However, if you throw and miss your basket, you will not move your basket. You will simply collect your ball, return back to the start line, and have your next throw. Alright guys, let's have a look at how this should work. Alright, ready, set, go. Oh. Thanks for that demonstration, boys. Alright guys, I would now like you to play 5 rounds against a member of your family you have chosen to do this activity with. Feel free to play against other members of your family. Feel free to change rules, so you might play over a longer distance. You might even play in teams within your family. If you are playing by yourself, see how many throws it takes you to get to the other end. Good luck guys, and have some fun.